What's up, Photo Booth family? In this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make some custom head cutouts. These are actually for a photo booth event we have this weekend, and we charge $20 for each of these. They take less than 5 minutes to make, and it is a great addition to your services. You don't need any special printer. You can use basically any printer, but check it out. How cool is this? Really quick, before we get into the tutorial, let me show you exactly everything you'll need. First up is cardstock paper. Let me go ahead and just show you guys this. Feel free to screenshot this and look this up. This is pretty thick cardstock paper. You can go to their site or Amazon. But cardstock, number one thing that you'll need. Number two is double-sided tape. This doesn't need to be this brand. It just needs to be tape that has two sticky sides so that when you attach it to the stick, it sticks. Next item that you need is some jumbo sticks. This one right here, this is the brand. I think I got these at Walmart. The dimensions of these are 1.5 inch wide and then 10 inches long. Look at this. That's a big stick. This is where you put the tape. And you'll need some scissors, because once you have the print, you have to cut all of that stuff. Then obviously some sort of computer to make the design and then to print. So you need a computer. Then obviously you need a printer. This is nothing special. This is the Canon TS3720. But if you have any printer that prints out color, this should be good enough. But this is what I'm using. So that's the stuff you'll need. All right, so I have Canva open on my laptop. We're gonna go ahead and get the file sized right so we can print this out and have the proper size. I like to go to create, right? And then there is a custom size option. You click on that. And then it's 8.5 by 11 inches. Just make sure that you create it like that size because it has to match the size of the paper. If you're using a different size paper, then there's different size here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just drag the first file here. And this client is booking us for, I believe it's their wedding, and these are images of their dog. And the dog probably isn't gonna be there, so this is kind of like a fun way to have the dog at the party, but not really at the party. So now when I have it here, what I like to do is kind of drag it out to where that the head is gonna be taking most of the space here. We don't have, it's kind of hard with dogs because their heads are sometimes round and it's not easy to fit mostly the head there. So I can probably try to just play with it a little bit. And it's okay if you slightly cut off the ears. So I'm gonna probably just go with this. Perfect. You can use the background removal tool if you have it on Canva. Like I believe it's an upgrade. You have to have Canva Pro. Only reason why I like doing this sometimes is because it saves me a little bit of ink. You'll notice how now the white part is gone. I'm sorry, not the white part, but it's now white, it's transparent. It'll help save a little bit of ink, but it also makes the cutting part a little bit easier for me. So here, we're gonna go share, we're gonna go download, and then I'm just gonna make sure all right, hold on. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go up to where it says share. We're gonna go to download, and I'm gonna press download. Allow, and then now we have the file here. So now I just go to File, Print, and if you're using a Windows computer, the process of printing would be a little bit different. I am using a Mac. So then from here, I just gotta make sure my printer is being read, which it is. This is my printer. And then I make sure I get the right size, which it is, US letter 8.50 by 11 inches. That is correct. And then print. So now we're gonna start the print process here. And boom, just like that. Next step is to take the scissors and then cut around where we want this thing. Cutting out the background is basically what I'm saying. It's so much easier to have the background and I do it where you off. So it's come here, and go ahead and down, just round this part out. I just put this where these sticks out. And I think I have that here. That's what it is for else. I use it on just which order, 6, double take, little greatest. You want to go to the neurons. You want to go to the base. You want to that. So it's not a rough draft of this. You want to and you can just that. I feel like you do it all. So I'm just going to a little bit. Cut the line, right? So just round. All right, that's all. Okay, I cut a little bit more off than I probably should, but just like that, right, dog head. Next step is to take one of the jumbo sticks. So we have our stick, then you grab double-sided tape, okay. I like to just do about half of the stick size. So then I grab the stick, put the tape down on one part of this, right? Make sure you press it down, peel off the white side so you have a double, the stickiness. Grab the head, and just like that. Now we have our head cut out of this beautiful little dog. How cool is that? Definitely something I think you guys should introduce, start offering. You can include it in your top packages, or you can just start selling them to sell them. So thank you for watching this video. Uncle Drew signing out. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Make sure to follow us wherever you're watching this video. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you soon.